Assalamualaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or all like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss another amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about chocolate cake decorations in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching chocolate cake decorating ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. These cakes special for special chocolate lover. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you're new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I provide you simple idea for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel. I hope this design and this creativity are fantastic. I hope this video is very scientific and creative for your beautiful video and beautiful ideas. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of video, then please visit my channel and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please make sure press the bell icon. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebration. Chocolate cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Chocolate cakes are amazing, beautiful, stylish. These cakes are very amazing, beautiful for special chocolate lovers and parties. I hope all my viewers are lovers for chocolate cakes. I hope this design and this creativity are fantastic. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like any designs, then take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing and beautiful designs. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care of yourself and people around you. Bye bye.